Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Nita. I'm one of the inventors of the Better Better. And what is the Better Better? The Better Better is a giant headband that wraps around your mattress. You put it on once and you never have to put it on again. It becomes a part of your mattress for the lifetime of your mattress. And then you simply just tuck your sheets in from the top and you never have to lift your mattress. So that's the Better Better. With me is Blake Amelie, my daughter. She's going to keep me on track this week. Last week I kind of got a little off track, a little rambling. So hopefully I'll get back on track this week. And every weekend we're going to give you a tip on how to use the Better Better. So just keep that in mind. We're going to do that every week. And today our tip is going to be how to use a fitted sheet with the Better Better. So.
Yep, but first we wanted to remind y'all that we do have a bunch of answers to all of your questions right on our website. If you just click the questions tab on the top of the page, it'll bring you to another page that has all the questions that we normally get and a bunch of answers. And not only does it have the answers, it also has, most of them have a short little video demonstrating the answer. So that's really cool. So go check that out.
Yep. And we get lots of calls and comments and questions. And the two most questions that we get is how to put on the Better Better for the first time. And that we've done a video a couple weeks ago about how to do that. Mm-hmm. So you can find that on Facebook and also on our questions page that Blake was just talking about. And the second question is how to put on a fitted sheet using the Better Better. What's the easiest way to do it? And we're going to show you that right now, actually. So let's show it. Okay. When you use a fitted sheet, what you have to do is, I would put the fitted sheet on just like you would normally put on a fitted sheet. So put it on, but you don't tuck it in. So just put it on over the Better Better. That way you can line up your fitted sheet.
So, all the corners.
Yep, all the corners. So you want to get that lined up. So once you have it on like that, now you can start flipping and tucking it into the Better Better. So this is what you want to do. You want to take your corner like this, and you take the Better Better and you flip it down. So you flip it down. You take your fitted sheet, you tuck it in, and then you flip the Better Better back up. So flip down, tuck in, flip up, just like that.
So flip down, tuck in, and flip up.
That's it. And then you do the same thing on each corner. So
flip down, flip up.
Flip down, tuck in, flip up. It's that easy. And then you tuck in your sides, just like that. So I'm going to show you again. You ready? Flip down. Here's the fitted sheet. You flip down halfway, tuck in, and flip up. So that's the easiest way. That way you won't have that tight corner trying to tuck it in like that. Flip down, flip up. It's that easy. So, all right. Now, it's been a really busy week this week at Better Better. We have had customers that have come back and bought 3, 4, 5, and 6 Better Better. So we are really having customers that really love the Better Better, and they're buying, we think they're buying for Christmas gifts, but they may be buying for themselves, because one lady we talked to said she's buying one for every room. So,
but it is almost Christmas time.
It is almost Christmas.
Get those orders in.
Yep. And then let's do our comment of the week, Blake.
Okay, let me grab it. So this is what we got from one of our customers. She said, "Love this Better Better. As I can budget it, I'll get one for each bed. For the first time in my life, I wake up with the sheets still tucked in at the foot of the mattress, and it's no longer an ordeal to smooth or straighten them. God bless your work. I'm sleeping better, and that's saying something. I hurt my shoulder years ago fighting to get untangled from the top sheet. I twisted around me from tossing and turning, trying to keep my feet under the covers. I love you all. Tell your workers great job, excellent quality materials and construction."
Very good. Thanks for the good comment. And we get comments all week like that. We've gotten a ton this week, so we want to thank Vicky and Barry and Deanne and Judy and Arlene and Julie and Denise. I mean, we could just go on and on. So thank you guys. Keep the comments coming. We love them. And I'm going to end with Nita's favorite short comment of the week, which is my favorite. And that one is from Arlene, who said, "This is the Holy Grail that I've been waiting for all my life." So glad we can get that Holy Grail to Arlene. And y'all have a good weekend, and actually have a better weekend.
Yeah.
And we'll see you soon. Go Saints. Who dat?
Who dat?